Hello friends, welcome to FinVision by GR Wealth Partner. Today we'll talk about a smart and simple way to invest, one that helps you turn small monthly savings into a big amount over time through SIP in mutual funds. If you have ever wondered what SIP is, how it works, and how it can help you save and grow your money, then this video is just for you. Let's talk about one of the smartest and simplest way to build wealth. It is called SIP, which stands for Systematic Investment Plan. Now, every one of us has future financial goals. It could be your child's education, their marriage, or your own financial freedom before retirement. To achieve these dreams, SIP is one of the best and most disciplined way to invest. Here is a quick example. Suppose you earn a monthly income and decide to invest just rupees 2000 every month in mutual fund. You can set a date and payment option of your choice while investing. Now, here is the magic. After 15 years, your total investment of around rupees 3.1 lakh could grow nearly to 10 lakh with the average return of 12%. That's the power of compounding. And that's how a small step today can create a big difference tomorrow. Let's see why this SIP works, why people are being advised to do SIP monthly. It is because of three powerful components, that is, 1. Compounding. Your return also starts earning returns. 2. Rupees cost averaging. When markets go down, you buy more units. When market rise, you buy less. It balances out your risk. 3. Discipline. It automatically builds a saving habit. You don't even realize how fast your money grows over time. So, next time when you think of saving, don't just let money sleep in your bank account. Start a SIP. Even rupees 500 a month is enough to begin. Remember, small investment plus time equal to big wealth. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification.